Did y'all know that Sewing Parts Online now carries fabric? Oh, yes they do. Yes they do. They have started carrying Art Gallery, Tilda, Robert Kaufman, Cloud9, Moda. The list goes on. Y'all check Sewing Parts Online out if you are looking for some fabric because they have some really good deals. I just got my ambassador box from Sewing Parts Online and I am like 99% sure this probably has some fabric in it. So let's open it up together and see what's inside. Sewing Parts Online is one of my very favorite places to shop, not just for sewing notions. Pretty much all my sewing machines have come from Sewing Parts Online and they are 100% fantastic. Let's see what's in the box. So excited. Oh, there is fabric in this box. Look at that. We now carry fabric. This is Art Gallery. It's Art Gallery. This is called Flower Fields. That's pretty. Oh, it's coordinated. This one is also from that same line, Flower Fields. I am a huge fan of Art Gallery fabrics. I really like the way that they feel. They're not as thick, I would say, as other quilting cottons, but they're more satiny. Like they feel soft and lovely. Ooh, I like this. I love that they're coordinated because, like, y'all, this is going to be a quilt. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Sewing Parts Online, because I am terrible at making decisions when it comes to fabric. And you guys just made it for me. Look how pretty. Oh, they saved the best one for last. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, there's still another one. I missed it. Oh, you guys. If you have not checked Sewing Parts Online out for fabric, like specifically, I need you to go there right now and check it out. They also added in all of this beautiful thread. These are beautiful colors. They all coordinate with the fabric. I'm just so happy. Thank you so much, Sewing Parts Online. I can't wait to make a quilt with these. If you don't follow Sewing Parts Online, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and do that right now because they really are the best. Not only do they have like an enormously diverse catalog of products regarding sewing, they are literally the nicest people you will ever meet. Their customer service is unparalleled. You get to talk to an actual person in Dixon, Tennessee. When you call them, if you have a question or if you need something, please make sure you give them your business. They absolutely deserve it. Thanks again, Sewing Parts Online. I am just floored. Like and follow for more.